Hi, I'm Rob with Equal-i-zer Hitch, and this is 2-Minute Tech. In this one I want to talk about proper tensioning of our equalizer brackets. In previous segments we've talked about proper placement, distance from the center of the ball out on the frame. Once we have that established, the next step is very important, is make sure we got equal tension, proper tensioning of the plates. We've got a lot of different trailer frames out there. Some of them have more squared edges, some will have rounded edges, and proper tensioning will help to make sure that these plates don't accidentally move and that we have maximum performance on them. And how we achieve this, first thing I like to do is have your top and bottom bolts placed. I like to hold both the inside and the outside plate flush to the trailer frame, and I'll just finger tighten both the top and the bottom bolt. Make sure again that we have both plates flush to the frame, and then after that we'll take our 3/4 inch wrench and we'll start to tension them. And the best way to go about this is to do a half turn top, half turn bottom, and just repeat that process until we have those all the way tensioned down. To where you can see that the split lock washers are flattened out and that we've achieved our 65 foot-pounds of torque. And you can always grab a torque wrench to check those torques on there to make sure it's, again, properly tensioned down. So once we have these properly tensioned down, then they're ready to go. For more information on this, please refer to your Equal-i-zer Owner's Manual. And that's it for this edition of 2-Minute Tech. Thanks for your time.